we're going to take a look at finding the mean of a sequence of numbers. Now, most of the time we talk about the mean as the average. And what the average is, though, it's the mean or the arithmetic mean. So when you hear about the arithmetic mean, then we know that to be the average. And what's interesting is that when we take a look at arithmetic means, we're taking a look at a sequence of numbers. That's really what we're taking a look at and finding the mean of those numbers. So let's go ahead first of all and do this. Let's go ahead and get the mean. Now when we're using sigma notation and a little more of a statistics bent, we actually call this x bar. Okay, so the mean is called x bar. You can actually find that in your graphing calculator under single variable statistics. So let's take a look at the mean. I think talking about what we do will help to understand the actual summation notation definition of mean. So here we go. We have 17 plus 18 plus 12 plus 13 and plus 8. So we're going to take all of those, add them together, and we're going to divide by 5. And that's going to be our mean. So we get 68 on the top. We're going to divide by 5. And our arithmetic mean is going to be 13.6. Now let's take a look at getting just the plain old, what we usually call average of some numbers, and see how it relates to summation notation. Let's just say we have this sequence of numbers. We'll call it x1, x sub 1, x sub 2, x sub 3. And we want to add those things together. Well, we would have x sub 1 plus x sub 2 plus x sub 3 plus, and then dot, dot, dot. And then we would end at x sub n. Well, if you look at this carefully, this sigma notation here at the top of this fraction, it is this series. In other words, I'm going to start with 1 for I. There's that 1. I'm going to go to 2. I'm going to go to 3. And then I'm going to stop at n. And so there's me stopping at n. Alright, so now what does it say to do then? We're going to divide then by n, by the number of things. Well, if I start with 1 and I stop with n, then I will have n items. So if you can see that this is actually getting an arithmetic mean. Okay? So that's all I really wanted to talk about in this video on finding the mean of a sequence of numbers, just showing you how that's connected to what we are doing with sigma notation. Okey-doke, thanks for watching.